Okay, well, we're continuing on the gas valve here. And we're tightening up these Allen bolts here, which ties in this portion here to this portion here. Okay, got that one snug. And they're all fairly tight. Now I'm just going to go and get them all. Yeah, gotta get the tool in the hole. There, got that one. And that one. Last one to check. There. They're all tight. Okay, now we have the lines here that go up here. I have to get up higher so I can see where it goes. And we'll be hooking up this right here. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you. Well, have a nice day.